Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I will be sharing a very special South Indian style rice, that is tomato rice, and let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are: you need 2 cups of boiled rice, some oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 2 red chilies cut, and you also need the green chilies, and you need some curry leaves, some ginger, garlic, that's 1 teaspoon each. You need 1 teaspoon of urad dal or this white dal, 1 teaspoon of the chana dal, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of salt because rice does not have salt. You need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, some cilantro, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf, and you also need 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of hing. Apart from this, you need 1 or maybe half a chopped onion, 3 tomatoes because we are making tomato rice, so I'm using extra tomatoes, and this is the raita or the pachadi with yogurt, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, and chopped cucumbers. First goes in the oil. Let the oil heat a little, and I'm going to use only 3/4 of the mustard seeds because I need the remaining for tadka. Let the mustard seeds crackle, and we're going to throw in some red chilies, dried ones. This is the urad dal, chana dal, the curry leaves. Again, I'm going to save a few for the seasoning of the pachadi. Some green chilies. And I'm going to fry them. Now goes in the fennel seeds, the onions. Saute the onions a little. We also add the ginger, the garlic, goes in the hing or asafoetida powder, now goes in the tomatoes, and as soon as we add the tomatoes, I add half the salt because I want to use a little bit for my pachadi as well. So I save a little. And then I also add the turmeric powder and the red chili powder and mix it up well and let the tomatoes saute for about 5 minutes. So now I get that flavor of the fennel seeds, the hing, and all the spices, and I'm going to add some cilantro and mix it, and now goes in the boiled rice, and I'm going to mix the rice with the masala nicely. I've mixed the rice with all the masalas, tomatoes, onions, etc. And again I'm going to plate it. I just fill it in. Now I'm going to prepare the seasoning or the tadka for the pachadi or the raita. So I heat a teaspoon of oil and I add the remaining mustard seeds, and I also add the remaining curry leaves and a teaspoon of asafoetida. Now I'm going to add this seasoning here along with the cilantro leaves. And I need to take this off and add a little more of the cilantro. And that's it, we're done. So this rice can be accomplished with raita or pachadi and papad. And if you really enjoyed watching this recipe, do like, share and comment, and also subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Till next time, bye bye.